Welcome to Mantra Monday here at the Kriya Yoga School. Today we will be doing 108 Raksha beads of Lord Ganesh, Lord of Success, remover of all obstacles. So if you don't know how to do Mantra Japa, I will show you. This top bead right here is called the Guru bead. Once you reach that, you know if you reached 108 Raksha beads. So we will bring our pointing finger out because we don't want our pointing finger touching any of the Raksha beads. If you can't do it without your finger out, you can just put your fingers like this and make like a scissors. So we will start our Mantra Japa practice, 108 Raksha beads, one mala of Lord Ganesha, Lord of Success, remover of all obstacles. There he is right there. And let's get started. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. 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 Jai Ganesha.